This session examines the NDC certification program we launched at the World Passenger Symposium in October 2015. So, why did we launch this NDC certification program? Well, for several reasons. We want to provide transparency and visibility on existing deployment, in terms of airlines deploying their NDC APIs, and in terms of agents and aggregators consuming those APIs. We also want to validate the capability, the level of readiness of the associated supporting IT providers. We are doing all of this because we want to protect the NDC brand, we want to give visibility and support to IT vendors capable of delivering NDC products, and ultimately we want to accelerate the adoption of NDC by the industry. So, what will be certified then? There are two key points here. We will be looking at NDC messages and NDC messages only. In fact, we will check the capability of an actor to receive and send NDC messages. This is the first point. The second point is that for certification, we will be looking at specific NDC instances, NDC endpoints. We will be looking at specific airline deployments and specific agent and aggregator deployments. IT providers are supporting sellers and airlines with NDC solutions and services. More precisely, we will consider both NDC certified deployment and also NDC capable products supporting those deployments. Any NDC API deployed by an airline will qualify to be considered as an NDC certified deployment. Same thing for a distributor. Any deployment that consumes NDC APIs will qualify to be considered as an NDC certified deployment. In terms of NDC capable product, we will consider any providers that offers products for airline and or for distributors. Early adopters that are XML capable can participate in this registration program and will be deemed XML capable. For this level, we will only require a registration form. NDC certification and capable statuses will have three levels. The first level will cover implementation using past and current NDC schemas with a limited scope. For example, sales of ancillaries post-booking. The minimum schema requirement here is 1.star and the PADIS publication 15.2 and future releases. The second level focuses on offer management. This level requires a more extensive use of the shopping offer management API. For example, support for the air shopping request and reply messages is required at this level. In terms of schema versions, minimum requirements for this level are the candidate releases 1.1.star and the PADIS publication 15.2 and future releases. The third and top level targets NDC end-to-end deployments. Those deployments which cover both offer and order management. Again, minimum requirements will also be candidate releases 1.1.star and PADIS publication 15.2 and future releases. We will actually have a fairly simple process for NDC certification. To be considered for certification, applicants will need to provide a certification statement and capture traces of NDC requests and response messages hitting the system. Such a trace will demonstrate how a specific NDC endpoint is being used, what specific NDC messages, schemas are being supported. This trace will need to be sent to IATA for validation. The final step, all NDC certified and capable actors will be listed in the NDC certification registry and will be able to use the IATA NDC certified or capable logo. We launched the NDC certification program at WPS in October 2015 and have been accepting applications since then. Check the IATA website for more details. In the future, there will be a fee associated with this certification process. However, this fee will be waived for a limited period of time. Between now and mid-2016, we will engage on two fronts. In terms of communication and stakeholder management, we will engage with the NDC community at large, airlines, sellers, aggregators, and IT vendors. We will also take NDC early adopters through this certification process. The registry, basically listing all NDC certified and capable actors, will be available on the IATA website by mid-2016. So again, if you are interested, if you want to find out more about this certification program, you can visit our NDC page where there is a dedicated tab for certification. And you can of course also reach out by email. We will be very happy to assist you going through this process. Thank you very much.